Hi, Daniel. The ocean view is so beautiful.
I'm glad you like it, my love. Please be careful.
Take care of yourself. Oh no, my phone is broken.
Mom, why are you crying?
My phone is broken.
Erica, what happened? Why are you sad?
My iPhone fell and broke.
Don't cry. I will buy you a new phone. Erica, I love our family.
Me too. Everything.
I love you, Mom and Dad.
Today, we will buy together.
Yes!
Let's stay happy.
Come on, Erica. Let's go and buy a new phone.
But we don't have money.
Don't worry, my love. Everything will be okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will find a way. You are important to me.
Thank you, Daniel.
I'm ready. Let's go. This is gonna be so much fun.
We are gonna have so much fun. We're here. Let's get out of the red car.
Okay, let's go inside.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to our phone shop. This is my wife, Erica, and our son.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you all. Welcome. We are looking for a 17 Pro Max phone. Do you have it? Yes, we do. We have the new 17 Pro Max.
Wow, I'm excited to see the new phone.
We want to know about its features.
That's great. Can we see it, please?
Of course. Please come to the counter. I will show it to you.
Wow, I'm excited to see.
Thank you. We would like to know more about its features. Sure, I will explain everything. This is the new 17 Pro Max.
Wow.
What are its specifications? It has 1 terabyte of storage, and it comes in a beautiful orange color. Is it waterproof? Yes, it is waterproof. It is also an American-made phone.
That's amazing. I really like the orange color.
It looks great. We'll take it.
Excuse me, can you turn on the phone, please? Of course. Here you are. The phone is on now.
Wow, getting clear.
Can we check the camera? Yes, sure. Please open the camera.
Dad, take a picture of me.
Okay, smile.
The picture looks beautiful, clear. Let's take a family selfie.
Great idea.
Hold the phone up and smile. Cheese.
Cheese.
We really like this phone.
Yes, the camera is very good. That sounds great. How much does it cost?
The price is $2,000. Wow, $2,000 too expensive. Can you give us a discount? Okay, I can make it $1,700. All right, I will give it to you for $15.
Yay! Thank you.
I'd like to buy the Pro Max 17. Certainly. Let me write up the bill. Here is the phone and your bill. I will pay in dollars. Thank you very much. Here is your phone. Thank you for buying from us. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Enjoy your new phone.
Dad, I love our new phone.
Let's go home and try it. Daniel, where are we going first?
My dear, we'll go to the bank. We need to get the money.
Okay, then we'll go to the jewelry store.
Yes.
Great. I'm excited. This is gonna be so much fun.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you? I want to withdraw $100,000. Certainly, sir. Please show me your ID. Here you are. Thank you. Please wait a moment.
That's a lot of money.
Yes, we must be careful. $100,000. We must be careful.
I'm excited. Let's go. That's a lot of money.
Oh! We are gonna have so much fun. Wait, Who is that guy? Hold on tight!
Hello!
What is your
Police!
emergency?
A thief stole our bag with $100,000. He is running toward Green
Stay
Street.
calm. Officers are on the way.
Hello! Police!
What is your emergency?
A thief stole our bag with $100,000. He is running toward Green
Stay
Street.
calm. Officers are on the way.
We are chasing the black car!
Help! He is getting away.
We are chasing the black car!
Help! He is getting away.
Out of my way! Freeze! Here's your money back, safe and sound. And here is $1 for you, young man.
Thank you so much, officer.
Yes, thank you all for your help. Great, we have our money back. Now, let's go buy some gold. Hello, we are looking to buy some gold. Excellent, let me show you our finest bars. Perfect, we will take these.
I love how this list looks.
Look, it fits perfectly.
Here are the dollars. Thank you, come again.
Daniel, I'm tired.
Me too.
I'm hungry.
Let's go to a restaurant.
Great idea. We are here. I'm so hungry.
Me too. Let's eat at this restaurant.
Great! I want a big meal.
Come on, let's go inside.
Welcome. How many people?
3, please.
We are very hungry.
I want a big burger.
Please come this way. Your table is ready. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
Everything looks delicious.
I want a cheeseburger and fries.
Great. I'll be back in a minute.
This food is really delicious.
Say cheese, chef. Perfect.
Enjoy your meal.
Chef, your nose is so big.
Let's roll laugh together. Let's enjoy our meal together. What a wonderful day.
This food looks amazing.
I love this burger.
Today was scary.
Yes, a thief stole our money.
But the police caught him.
We got our money back, bought the gold, and now we're enjoying dinner together.
It was a happy ending.
Always be honest and protect your family.
Good people and the police can help.
Be kind and stay safe.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, subscribe, and support our channel.
See you next time.